What is going on, everybody? Welcome to the show. You guys probably want to know, what PC are we building today? Well, guys, believe it or not, we're building in this little bad boy right here. This is the NZXT H6 Flow. This is the best airflow case that we have ever tested on Robeytech. And if you want to go check out the full review, believe it or not, there's an NZXT case that ends up being the best airflow case we've ever tested. And we're going to be building a PC inside of us today. Let's go and get started. Let's talk about the parts we're putting inside of today's build. Well, here's the parts list right here. We have the NZXT H6 Flow. We're going to be doing the Core i7 14700K. For the motherboard, we're using the NZXT N7 Z790 in black. For the graphics card, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 Founders Edition. For our SSDs, we're gonna use those PNY XLR8s. We got a 1 terabyte and 2 terabyte NVMe drive. For the cooler, the NZXT Kraken Elite 360. And then for our power supply, we're using the NZXT C1200. Okay guys, let's go ahead and start stripping this down and going from there. We're gonna start replacing fans. Okay, so I will tell you, I just saw this. So you can pretty much take this whole PC apart. So I'm gonna take this one off, and here's our fans right here. I really like the way the duos look. Apparently, guys, today I'm just gonna be a glutton for punishment and change the fans. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, there we go, guys. We have all of the cables out, so let's go start removing fans. And now we replace. We begin the replacement procedure. Fans are in now. Okay, we're gonna do this. Okay, we should be fine here. This is like, seems pretty protected. And then we'll put in our bottom ones, which are like below. So they're actually below, so we'll put those in. Okay, there we go. Okay guys, now what we're gonna do here is these are the fans that we're gonna be blowing air up into our GPU. Okay, and then you can see, this is what I was kind of talking about here. If you look down here, they're like just like the perfect fit. So something to just be aware of is that fan sizes, they might just be up against the edge or whatever it was. Okay, get that in. Okay, there we go. Let's get this stuff in here. Get it in there, close the gate, close the door. Okay guys, next up, it's time for the fun part. So using this beautiful all black N7. Okay, there's the board right there. Let's grab our CPU first. Beautiful brand new CPU going in there. Will it pop? I don't think so, but we'll try. Nope, I knew that wasn't even a question. Okay, RAM. Okay, here we go, guys. Ooh, that was 93. It felt loud. 96.7, but barely made it. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna put NVMe now. And this goes on top of it. Okay, throwing some Noctua thermal paste on there. Just want to make sure we have a lot of thermal paste. We have the Mobo built. Oh, we forgot one part though. That's right, guys, AIO time. Well, sort of, it's AIO bracket time. Okay, here we go, guys. Jumping into putting it inside the case now. This is a mess, guys. Looking clean so far, guys. I gotta say, looks very, very clean. Okay, here we go. There we go. Okay, boom. See what I mean? It looks so pretty. Okay, let's get our front panel connectors in, and then we gotta start working through this whole mess here. That looks much cleaner. Okay, so next up, guys, here's how we're looking. We have a couple cables that I still got to cable manage that need to go in, so AIO time. All of our front panels are plugged in, all of our cables are cable managed. There it is right there. Isn't that nice? Okay, so let's get our case back up here. This is gonna go up here, and then we'll get this in. Get in, okay. Okay. Let's get this in. Oops, just dropped it. No problem. No biggie. Guys, that looks so clean. like so clean. Like it looks, did I mention how clean it looks? Guys, look how clean that looks. All right, here we go, guys. Now working on, this is the last of the like small cables that we need to install. AIO's in. The build is looking very, very good. Okay, here we go. Gonna make this look good. We're at like GPU time at this point. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? We got our 16-pin cable right back here. We're gonna run that through, and then it's just PSU and we're done. There we go. Okay, there we go, guys. Let's get our PSU in. Okay, let's just make sure that we're not gonna have any fitment problems here. There we go, that looks good. Okay, cool. There we go. There we go, okay. There it is, guys, build done. So what do you guys think? Cable management wise, still very, very clean. All the NZXT is all you see there. You see everything here is actually pretty straightforward, clean, nice and clean. Yes, it's a lot of cables, but they are organized. Make sure the front looks good still. There you go. Let's start putting it back together. There it is, guys, fully built. Okay, here we go, guys. Getting the build ready. Here we go, guys. 3, 2, 1. No, it didn't work. Oh, no, it did. There it is. There is the build, guys. What do you guys think? It looks super clean. Yeah, it is very pretty. And by the way, just so you guys know, it did post. There it is right there. NZXT posted. We're gonna see how this does. Right now, temperatures are sitting at 30, which is fine. Let's just run our multi-core, see how this goes up. So again, it looks like it's gonna be in the low 90s, I guess, where we're gonna basically sit out there. Score is in the 28,000s. Okay, let's take a look at games. So we'll run some Cyberpunk. Let's put, this is overdrive. We'll turn ray reconstruction, no frame generation on. We'll go to performance. So let's see how this does. This is the best Cyberpunk could possibly look on this build. This is beautiful. Actually, 60 frames per second. This is with path tracing, DLSS, and ray reconstruction, which is fantastic. So there we go, 72 frames per second, guys. That seems fine. Let's go ahead and throw on frame generation just to show it. And there you go, 106 frames per second now. Okay, so there we are, guys. That is 4K Cyberpunk. I guess the only other game we could show if you guys wanted to see it is we could show Alan Wake. We're gonna run it at DLSS. We'll do no VSync, turn off motion blur because you guys hate it. Just showing you 69 frames per second. I mean, look at how good this game looks. But look at the lighting. Like, the lighting in this game looks so good. Okay, so I forgot how to play the game, but there you go. There's Alan Wake at 60, yeah. So there you guys go, couple games. All in all, very, very attractive build, I have to say. And it came out very pretty. I will say, like, you have to get kind of used to like how it displays, like in terms of just getting a little bit of curvature and stuff like that just to go. But again, one of the best airflow cases we ever tested. I think it came out super, super clean. Guys, thank you so much, everybody, for tuning in today, for looking at this incredible build. Huge shout out to NZXT for doing this. Huge shout out to GVM for sponsoring this episode. We will see you guys on the next one. Have a great night, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.